Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make some good money on DoorDash. You're going to want to get your miles tracking app. My personal favorite is Stride. It's easy to use, great for tracking your mileage and good for doing your tax returns. You can also log things like your expenses, like your catering bag and little bits like that to get that extra money back in when it comes to filing them tax reports. You're going to have to put in the work. You want to get to Platinum Dasher. This is how you're going to make money. When you're a Platinum Dasher, you can dash at any time. No more scheduling, no more missing out on the good times, getting them promos and all things like that. Get yourself to Platinum Dasher. It also unlocks the ability to get large orders and catering orders. This means you can make extra cash. A lot of people who order catering are gonna pay good money for it and they like to tip. Get Platinum Dasher now. Catering bags and coolers. First of all, get on your DoorDash app and order yourself a catering bag. This is great for keeping the food warm. And also if you have to carry any awkward orders. The amount of times I've had apartments and I've got these silly little paper bags and I feel like they're gonna break. Get yourself a catering bag. A cooler's also great. You need to remember some customers order ice cream, some customers have cold drinks and they want to keep it cold. They won't want it to turn up melted or warm or the ice dissolving, especially in them hot summer months. Get yourself a cooler and DoorDash bag. I'm also going to come back to why a cooler is really good. Now let's talk about the best dash hours. You always have the lunch hour. That's going to be your first best time to dash. This is where you're going to get your workers ordering their lunch a lot of the time to office buildings, but guess what? They tip more. They're workers, especially if you go into the big city. The second time, not my favorite personally, but it's 5 to 9. You'll always get regular orders. Kids are coming off from school, people are finishing work, they're hungry, they want to eat. Just bear in mind you are going to sit in rush hour traffic. Now, prime time, aka my favorite time, between 10 p.m. and 3 a.m. This is for your late night orders. All these people that can't sleep, get out and do a dash. If you head into the city during this time, you're going to make money. You're going to have regular orders, no traffic, and a lot of the time DoorDash likes to give you promos. Them extra 2, 3, $1, whatever it is all going to make a difference, especially if you're trying to make that extra money. Let's get into talking about promos. DoorDash likes to do promos. Normally you can check out when they're going to do them on the top right hand of the screen, but sometimes they just like to surprise you, so always be vigilant on your app because promos is the time you're going to make your money. Them extra couple of bucks, trust me, it makes a difference. If you don't mind driving in the city, go to the city. It's always going to be busy. They sometimes have promotions there and you won't have to wait around because let's be real, none of us like that waiting around part. Pizza places and why you should be hanging out there. Pizza places always get orders, especially them big brand names like Papa John's, Pizza Hut, Little Caesars. You know what I'm talking about. And a lot of the time customers have handed to me orders. This gives you the opportunity to meet the customer and give your best customer experience. And we all know what a good customer experience means. It means you're more likely to get tips. So trust me, if you have to hang out anywhere, look for your local pizza place. Now back to why you should keep a cooler in your car. I personally think you should always keep cold waters and cold sodas on you. This is not only great to keep you hydrated when you're on the road, but it also gives you the opportunity to go the extra mile when dealing with customers. If you notice a customer hasn't ordered a drink, pop them a little message, be like, hey, I noticed you didn't order a drink. I keep cold waters and sodas in my car, would you like one? Take a picture, send it to customer. Trust me, this is called going the extra mile. Customers love this and they're more likely to tip. Really good when you do things like this. sign up for gas station reward programs. When you sign up to them and you're filling up gas regularly, you're going to build up rewards. 10 cents, even up to $1 off can all make a major difference when you're putting gas in your car every day. Also, a lot of these big companies, they offer rewards what lead to having free food and drinks. It's great for when you're on the go because instead of spending money that you're trying to save, you can stop off at these places, grab a free soda, grab a free slice of pizza. Trust me, it makes a difference. Sign up for the apps and get yourself on these reward-based programs. Thank you for watching this video on how to make good money door dashing. If you like this video, be sure to give me a like, a follow and subscribe all down below. Once again, happy dashing!